Close your eyes and get into a comfortable position, either sitting in a chair or lying on the floor. Gently bring your attention to your breath and just notice how it feels as you breathe in and out, slowly and naturally. Notice the sensation of your breath as it flows in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth. With each inhale, notice yourself letting the breath in as your chest gently expands. And with each exhale, notice yourself letting go of any tension you might be feeling in your neck, back, or shoulders. Letting in as you breathe in, gently expanding your breath, and letting go as you breathe out, gently extending your exhale just a little bit more as you relax your body and quiet your mind. To help us relax a bit more, let's practice 3 ocean sound breaths together. As we breathe in, we'll allow the air to flow a bit more deeply into the belly. And then as we breathe out, imagine you're blowing the air gently through a straw, pursing the lips slightly to create some tension as you create the sound of an ocean breeze. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And now, as we start to hear the waves crashing, I'd like for you to imagine yourself sitting or lying down comfortably at the beach. As you begin to notice the sounds of the ocean waves crashing, allowing your mind to just gently rest in the rhythm of your breath, continuing to flow in and out as you relax your body a bit more. Imagine the color of the ocean water, a sparkling bluish green that feels calming and soothing as the waves naturally rise and fall. Imagine the warm sunshine cascading down onto your body, relaxing you even more, and perhaps noticing a gentle breeze against your skin as the waves continue to flow in and out along with your breath. Imagine the smell of the ocean air, a very clean and natural fragrance with just a touch of salt. Noticing that the air is slightly moist and soothing as you breathe it in and out. And now notice the connection that your body has with the floor. Imagine that you're able to feel the warm sand beneath your toes as you nestle your feet even more deeply into the grounding sensation of the earth. Noticing that you are deeply connected to the energy of the earth and that you are supported fully in this moment. And now just allow yourself to be still for a few more moments as you allow the sounds, sights, smells, and other sensations of the ocean to wash over you, giving you a gentle anchor to come back to at any moment during the day where you feel distracted. Again, gently noticing the sensation of your breath and the sounds of the waves as you settle in for a few more moments of rest. And as you continue to enjoy the rhythm of the ocean waves, bring your attention again back to your breath, back to the sensation of your chest as it rises and falls. And slowly begin to bring your attention back into the present moment. Before opening your eyes, just begin to become familiar with the sensation of the space that you're in right now. Allow yourself to move gently, maybe rolling your neck or gently rolling your shoulders as you prepare yourself to open your eyes and bring your attention back into the room. Remembering that at any time during the day, you can come back to this anchoring practice of noticing your breath, imagining yourself sitting next to the ocean waves, grounding into the warm sand. As you gift yourself a few moments of rest to recharge your energy for the time that you have.